Hi guys, I'm Trena Marie. This is my first YouTube video. I'm so excited to show you this look I did today. I didn't know what to call it, so I called it extra. I'm so excited to show you how I got from the beginning to the end. So if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and tune in next week for my next video. I'm gonna start with the Professional primer. I'm gonna put that all over my nose and next to my nose and under my chin. It's gonna put a nice base on your skin and get all of your pores covered up. It's gonna make it so you have a fresh face. And after that, I'm gonna apply my Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. It's a base mattifying primer. And I use about that much. You want to make sure your skin is super hydrated, so when you put it on, it doesn't just attach to the skin that is hydrated. You want it all over, so it primes your skin real good. And then I'm going to start with this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. I got this at Ulta. It's in the shade Fresco. And I'm just gonna apply that straight to my beauty blender, dab it on all the layers of my skin. And I'm gonna blend that out. And I'm gonna follow with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm gonna apply that to all the places I wanna highlight on my skin. This is a new guy. So under the eye, above my nose here, on my nose, and on my chin. And I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute so it can bake on my skin. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend that out. So as you can tell already, almost, you can see my skin is starting to mattify with that foundation. I'm gonna go take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna use my Sigma F30 brush. Get that coated. Tap off my excess into my lid. I sometimes like to take my beauty blender, shake it a little bit, get a little bit in your, just a little bit, and just coat right under my eyes. Get that all set. And then I am gonna contour my face. So I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I have the light to medium set. Okay, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I obviously love this, I use it all the time. I'm gonna go in with this middle shade here. And contour my cheekbones. Sorry, I'm using my large angled contour F40 Sigma brush. And then I'm gonna grab my small contour F05 Sigma brush. I'm gonna go into that same color. And I'm just gonna go around my forehead and my hairline here. All right, so now I am going to grab some eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Sigma small angle E65 brush with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to give myself some brows. grab my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm going to just brush out my brows. All the way done, I actually like to take a Q-tip and kind of just trace over where I don't want any brow. And then to go ahead and clean those brows up, we're gonna grab my Sigma F75 concealer brush. We're gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just below and above the brow, clean it up. We're just gonna blend that all the way on the brow onto the eyelid. And it's gonna be a little lighter, but that's okay because we are going to do our eyeshadow anyways. And then I'm gonna grab my beauty blender, blend that into your foundation. All right, and now I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Dip Brow or Brow Wiz brush and just go ahead and brush your brows out again. All right, now we're gonna start with our eyeshadow. So I'm actually gonna start with my Lorac Pro palette. I'm gonna go in with this Blanc color right here, very light color, with my Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E35. I'm gonna give a nice coat over all of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Cool Taupe right here. It's a brownie color. And I'm gonna use my Sephora Airbrush Crease Brush. And I'm gonna apply that just to my crease in the corner here and in the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna go into my Naked 2 palette from Urban Decay. I'm gonna grab this color here, it's called Tease. And kind of same thing, I'm just gonna apply that to the crease. The same airbrush crease brush on the outer corner there. I'm gonna drag it all the way in to my inner corner there. And down onto the outer corner of my lid. All right, so same palette, I'm gonna grab this color YDK. And I'm gonna use my blending E25 Sigma brush. Looks like that. It's more of like a thinner brush, so I'm gonna just apply that right to my crease. It's gonna get that right where I want it to go. All right, and now with my Tapered Blending E35 brush, I'm gonna dip into that same YDK color and just get a little bit more of like an airbrush finish on the upper part of my eye here. Then I'm gonna grab my pencil E30 Sigma brush, and I'm gonna go into this color here. It's called Busted. It's in the very bottom. It's a very kind of darky purple shade. And I'm gonna apply that right to my crease in my outer corner. I'm just building this color up. Here. All right. I'm gonna grab my eye shading E55 Sigma brush. I'm gonna spray that with my MAC Fix Plus. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna dip into the YDK, that same kind of brown shade. When you use the Fix Plus, it's gonna grab the pigment so you can apply, and it's gonna stick right on. It's so pretty when you use that Fix Plus. So I'm gonna apply that all over my lid and kind of over that outer corner that we've been working on here. And I'm not gonna brush it on, I'm going to pack it. And then I'm gonna grab I'm actually gonna use my concealer brush. It's an F70. I'm gonna spray, excuse me, I'm gonna spray that with my Fix Plus. And I'm gonna grab this color Verve. It's right next to the YDK. It's a little bit lighter of a color. And I'm gonna put that right in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. All right, so now that I have both eyes applied, I am going to grab my NYX matte liquid liner. Ooh, it's my favorite liquid liner. This is very black and it dries and it stays all day. When applying my liner, I like to go out with my wing and then go in and then start at the beginning of my eye and then meet it up and then make sure the whole thing looks even. The hardest part is getting the other one to match. All right, so now I'm gonna get some They're Real mascara from Benefit in the shade Black. It doesn't say what shade, but it is black, I promise. I love this wand because it's got that little end so you can do your bottom lashes, or if you just have a lash in the middle, you can get that one. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then I'm going to grab my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna use my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. I'm gonna get all of that right in there. Tap off the excess and I'm gonna highlight, which is my favorite thing to do. Whew, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. All right, I am gonna take my Flat Definer Sigma E15 brush. I'm gonna jump back into my, oh my God, my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna go with the Busted, this dark brown purple color. And I'm gonna put that all on my lower lash line. I'm gonna finish with some They're Real Benefit mascara just on the bottom lashes here. I'm actually gonna take them on the top lashes and connect my fake lashes with my real lashes. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Beauty Blender and just blend out anything that I took off. And then I'm gonna finish the last step with my Stila. I have the Perla Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I love this stuff. It is, oh my goodness, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna finish with my D-Slick Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. this is the finished look that I did today. I'm gonna wear this out tonight. I don't have an actual name for it, so I'm gonna go with extra. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and like this video.